So this is the one we did a video of the control box with the other person's workmanship on it. So go ahead and show off everything that seems to work neutral. Let's throttle it up without putting it in gear. Neutral lock. Trim up. Trim down. It's not screwed into the bottom part of the panel. The handle's actually tight on the boat, so yeah. Go ahead and start her up. Tighten up a few other things. Trims down. Start her up. Because it's been pumping the throttle and flooding the engine because it didn't need it. Change the impeller. It's about time. Move the throttle forward. Let's see if it goes forward this time. Perfect. Throttle's up. Push the throttle forward, it goes forward. Move the throttle, the control box reverse, and it goes to reverse. And throttle's up. So I'd say we're done.